Hey y'all, it's Jamila from Buy Pink again, and today I am going to show you guys how to make these super cute little Santa cams. I will link where I got everything, including the camera lenses. So let's get started. First, go ahead and cut out the vinyl that you're using for your Santa Cam ornaments. And if you want the file, find the link to the blog post and you can get the file free from my blog. But go ahead and load it onto your standard grip mat. Use your brayer tool if you need to make sure that it adheres completely. And then load your machine and press go. Grab your first ornament. Remove the top from your ornament and using a little dropper, again, I will link all this stuff for you. Using a little dropper, you're going to add polyacrylic to the inside of your ornament. I added about 2 droppers full, or just enough to where I thought that it could cover the complete inside of my ornament. After you're satisfied with the amount of polyacrylic, you're going to take and roll the liquid around inside the ball. And you want to make sure that it's completely covered everywhere. And the way that you tell that it's completely covered is that your ball is going to look cloudy. And don't be alarmed by that. The stuff dries clear. But you want to make sure that you get all the way up to the very, very, very top. Now, once you're satisfied with the coverage, you can take and pour any excess liquid back into your can of polyacrylic, and then just grab a cup and put your bulb upside down so that it can drain and kind of dry. When the bulb is ready for glitter, it is going to be clear again. You won't be able to tell that the polyacrylic is in there. And you just pour in your glitter and swirl around again to make sure that it is covered completely. I like to take and put something over the top and shake it a little bit just to get those tops around the edges, or turn it upside down a little bit. Pour the excess back into the glitter container, tapping the sides to get any extra, and set it aside. I allow mine to dry for about 2 hours before I go messing with them again. Now to get our vinyl ready and weeded. I love using this little nail polish holder to help me collect the small pieces from when I'm weeding adhesive vinyl. But I like to take out the inner parts first, and then you want to very carefully, because some of the letters are thinner, very carefully remove the larger portion of the voided area of your vinyl. And then just make sure everything's all nice and cleaned up, and you can separate them into single words. I like to work one word at a time, so I just transfer my first word to a piece of transfer tape, and I position it so that I can get the words onto the ornament. And I kind of work from the middle. Um, that way I know what I need to do to smooth down the sides. Occasionally you might have to cut a slit to make it lay down a little bit flatter. Go slow so that you get it on there exactly how you want to with very little bubbles and folds, and repeat this process with both words. All right, let's attach our lens. So the first thing you want to do is remove the cap from the top and back of the lens. And with your hot glue gun, put glue on the smaller portion and just stick it on. You can now add the top back into your ornament. Now add a ribbon or fishing line or something that you can use to hang this ornament on the tree. I like to just tie a knot at the ends and it through the top of the ornament and create a slip knot. That's it. Now you're ready to hang your ornament.